So right now I have only one object linked in this presentation on the first slide, and that is the arrow. And so if I go into presentation mode and I click somewhere else on the slide, it still forces me to go forward to the next slide, because that's just the way Google Slides is automatically set up. So in order to fix that, I'm going to go into Shapes, and I'm going to create a rectangle that fills the entire first slide. And then I'm going to make that transparent, and then also the border needs to be transparent as well. Then I'm going to right click, click Link, and I'm going to go ahead and link it to this same slide. So it's the first slide in the presentation. I'll link it to slide 1, Apply. And then I want to make sure that it's at the very back of all the layers. So Order, Send to Back. So that arrow is still on top. Then I'm going to go back into presentation mode, and now if I click anywhere outside of the arrow, it just forces me to stay on the same page.